Hello, H. For example, if I give you 500,000 to invest in your real estate business, what kind of return will I get, and how long would my money be tied up? So I get this question. I respect that question, but words are important. The way that we borrow money is people lend us money. They don't really invest in our business. They lend us money that is secured by an underlying asset by a first position mortgage. So it's a mortgage. You are essentially the bank, and we are bringing you an asset for you to finance. So generally, our average loan terms are at 10 or 12%. That's interest only. That's paid out monthly. So 500 grand would yield a $5,000 per month payment, interest only. So about 1% per month for quick, easy math. And the loan terms on that generally are outlined in the promissory note, and it is 2 to 3 years, interest only. However, there's a prepayment penalty. Generally, I think in about the first 6 months that will give you an extra 1% if we pay it off inside of 6 months. We shoot to do a refinance every 8 to 9 months. So we try and recycle. So in this scenario, your 500 grand, we will try and recycle that every 8 months, which inside of one calendar year would mean that we used your 500 grand, deployed it twice. So we used your 500 grand to buy, 1.25, $1.4 million worth of assets. Again, private lending. So whenever we paid you off, we would replace your money with a traditional lender at the typical amortized over 20, 30 years at a lower percent interest. But again, words are important, not really investing. Money being tied up, it's kind of outlined in the promissory note because it's a first position mortgage, no different than if you approached a bank about a 30-year loan. You would get a mortgage. That bank would provide a mortgage and a promissory note, which outlined the terms. It's not so much an investment. It's not so much anything like that.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.